We have now set up the equipment for performing Michelson interferometer experiment in the microwave propagation setup. We have set up the transmitter, the receiver, the two metal reflectors at the diagonals of the arms of the goniometer, and we have kept one partial reflector at the center of the goniometer. Now, as the wave propagates from the transmitter, it is partially reflected off. The partial reflector is fully reflected off from the metal reflector. It passes through the partial reflector and it arrives at the receiver. In another path, the transmitted wave passes through the partial reflector, is fully bounced off the metal reflector, is partially reflected from the partial reflector, and it arrives at the receiver. So at the receiver, what we are having is an interference pattern, which is a summation of the propagation lengths of the signal arriving off after reflecting from the two metal reflectors. So if we change either of the metal reflector by half the wavelength, then the received signal strength at the receiver will pass through a maxima and minima. Now you observe the received signal strength reading as I move one of the metal reflectors. You see the reading right now is 43, and now I am moving the metal reflector. You see it passes through a minima right now, and as I move it further, it will again pass through a maxima. So the difference between two adjacent minimas can be calculated, and it can be found out to be a multiple of half the wavelength. So this is the Michelson interferometer experiment for us. Then we move on to the experiment of Brewster angle. In Brewster angle experiment, we are sending off two linearly polarized, we are sending out a linearly polarized wavefront from the transmitter. That linearly polarized wavefront is arriving at a partial reflector, and it is partially reflected off from this thing, and it arrives at the receiver. Part of the micro signal is passed through the partial reflector, and it is straight away moved on in the next direction. In the Brewster angle, we need to find out the angle at which the reflected wavefront and the refracted signal are at a perpendicular angle. At that point of time, when the plane of polarization of the wave, it cancels out, and we will find that the receiver goes through the minimum. The angle of incidence at which such a phenomena happens will be called the Brewster angle. We can explore the two possibilities of sending the same signal in vertically polarized wavefront as well as in the horizontally polarized wavefront to analyze the behavior of the partial reflector in the electric as well as magnetic domains.